Sup lads, today I'm gonna show you how to free up 5 to 35 GB of space, which you can use for anything. The most important step is, go to where your Windows is installed, then enter the Windows folder, then delete System32, just joking. Instead enter Software Distribution and then delete the download folder. This will free from 3 to 20 GB in my case. To delete them like I do, select the file, then press and hold Shift and Del keys. Now press and hold Windows key and R key. Then write temp in the box and press enter. Use Ctrl+A to select all and Shift Del to delete all. Press Windows and R again, but this time write %temp% in the box. Do the same with this folder as the last one. Now press Windows R and write prefetch. Delete all. Now go to My PC, and click once the drive you want to free space on, and then right-click it, go to Properties and go to Clean Up Disk, check every option there and then do what I do. Don't worry if it takes long, that's a good sign. Check every option here too. Now everything is done. Don't forget to tell me in the comments how much space did you free up, smiley face. If I helped you get a lot of free space, then please help me get some attention in this big website, smiley face. Those were a lot of smiley face, LOL.